What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with DeepSeek. If you don't know what DeepSeek is, it's a new AI that's blowing up right now, and there's so many new ways to make money with this. You are going to want to jump on this now before it's too late. So I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step so you don't miss any information. You're not going to need to go create your own website or anything like that. This is a very simple strategy to do and very easy to understand. And of course, AI is blowing up right now. If you're not making money online with AI, you're getting left behind. So that's what we focus on in a lot of our videos nowadays. And also, you're not going to need any money to get started with this. So let's jump into the tutorial and I'm going to show you how to make money online with DeepSeek. Let's go. All right, guys, so this method is super easy to do. So this video isn't going to take very long. So this is called DeepSeek. If you don't know what this is, it's a new AI model that's come out. And essentially it's rivaling every other AI model out there like ChatGPT and stuff like that. It's very good. I've been using it for about a week now and I really like it. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump in and show you how you can make some money with this platform. Now this is actually a very easy strategy to do. Anybody can do this, works worldwide. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to get a couple of tools up. One of those tools is called 11labs.io or something similar where we can do text to speech. Another thing you want to do is get a video editor. Up to you what you want to use. There's lots of free ones. This is canva.com that you can use if you like. And then of course you need DeepSeek for this method. Now another thing you are going to need to for this method to make money is you're going to need to sign up to the Temu affiliate marketing platform. I will leave a link below where you can sign up to this platform, and essentially you get money every time you promote something from Temu, and there's also little bonuses you can get and all sorts of things like that. We can give away free bundles, all sorts of cool stuff to get money. So let's jump into this and I'll show you exactly how you can get started making money with this. The first thing you want to do is you want to head over to youtube.com and you want to put in viral Temu products and you want to click search. And what this is going to do is this is going to find you viral Temu products. If we actually click on this one here, we can open this one right here and we can click on this channel. And first we'll just check out this channel and see what they do. As you can see, this channel is posting Amazon products and Temu products. So for example, they will get a commission from the Amazon ones and a commission from the Temu ones. So let's check this out. Sorry, my internet's a little bit slow right now. I am away on holiday at a hotel. All right. Maintain the cleanliness and hygiene of your dental appliances. So as you can see, it does a video, has a video and a voiceover. Now you don't need to do 100 viral, you can do 10, 5, 50, whatever you like. But as you can see down here, every single one of these is going to be an affiliate link where this person's going to make a commission. So if I open up this is most likely an affiliate link and it will go to a specific product. Now this product has been discontinued, but it will go to Temu. Okay, so how do we go ahead and create something like this? First of all, you want to go to Temu and you want to find viral products. So we can use DeepSeek for this, or you can just go through and find them yourself. So I'm going to say to DeepSeek right here, give me a list of 20 viral Temu products. And it's going to go ahead and give me a list of those products. Now, another thing you can do is you can go to the new arrival page because new arrivals are usually extremely viral. However, we're going to go back to DeepSeek here and we're going to see what it tells us. So what it tells us right now is the viral products are mini desktop vacuum cleaners, LED lights, reusable silicone food storage bags, portable neck fan, etc. Magic cleaning putty. So we can go ahead and we can go through this and we can go to every single item to get the content. The next thing is we need to actually get the content. So how do we do that? Well, you want to click on a specific product and then that product is going to have a video. Okay, we can actually go ahead and download this video. And to do that, you can use something called Temu Save, which you can download Temu images and videos on Google Chrome. This is an extension. So I'm going to download this and then I'll show you what we're going to do with it. All right, so as you can see, I used that tool to download the video. Now we're not going to need the sound in there. It's actually downloading. Okay, so I had the video. Now you're going to want to go ahead and do that for every single video that you're going to want to download. It's going to take a little bit of time. The next step is you want to go ahead and copy this specific link. And you want to go to DeepSeek and you want to say, write me a script, a voiceover script talking about this product. That's terrible spelling. And then post a link of the product. And it's going to write us a script that we can go ahead and use. Now, 11 Labs is a free text-to-speech, but the longer it is, I think you have to pay. I think we can only do 500. So that will be up to you what you do. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this voiceover and we're going to use it to go ahead, and I'll show you how to create a simple video. But remember, you need to do this 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, 40 times, 50 times, however many times you want to do it. Like for example, this video here is 30 minutes long and they have 100 products, but keep in mind they have 300,000 views and they have all of these affiliate links. So they'll be making money. So let's go to DeepSeek here. We now have our script. I'm going to copy this. We're going to go to here. We're going to put it in here. And we're going to go to, so it's got, see, so this is 2,500 words. You are going to have to do the paid version if you want. So you can go try for free and sign up. Oh, I already have a count. So text to speech here. And I can go generate speech. Okay, so you need to get rid of all of this stuff. I forgot about that. All right, we're going to go generate speech here.
Got dents? No problem. Introducing the Paintless Dent Repair Kit, your ultimate solution for quick, easy, and affordable dent removal. Say goodbye to expensive body shop visits and hello to professional grade results.
All right, that's really good. We can now download this. And we have that audio. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to use Canva to create a video. All right, guys. So what I did is I dragged the video on and then I went to audio up here. And there's a thing that pops up. You can turn the audio down on the video. And then I also dragged in the voiceover. So listen to this.
Affordable dent removal. Say goodbye to expensive body shop visits and hello to professional grade results right at home. This all-in-one kit comes with everything you need.
Now you can do this multiple times by adding another scene, and then you can add another, you can drag another video into this scene. And then you just go to share, and then you just go to download, and you can go ahead and you can download the video. Once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and you can go to YouTube and you can upload that video to YouTube. And then what you want to do is in the description of that, you want to go ahead and put your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you want to go to here and you can go ahead and you can do multiple things. So we can do it for specific products, or you can do exclusive deals if you just want to send people straight to Temu if you like. It's really up to you. But what you want to do is you can do it for specific items. So if you go to hot items here, you can actually search for the item that you want to promote. And you can go ahead and get your affiliate link, or you can go ahead to Temu and get it. Or what I like to do is I like to just put in a free gift or a $100 coupon deal. Now what you also want to do is you want to use vidIQ to optimize your videos. So for example, you can put in 20 viral Temu gadgets, etc. for specific niches. And you can also put in a description by using vidIQ. But what's more important is to make sure your affiliate links are in there. But as you can see, it says home, kitchen, and cleaning. You could do fishing products as a separate video. You could do home decor as a separate video. You could do hiking as a separate video. You can do whatever you like on specific niches. So that's it, guys. That's how you can make money with Temu and DeepSeek. It's super easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.